Pro. Let's get into it.
V has come too.
This is an Apple Vision Pro that I purchased with my own money, and I think it's awesome. By far, it is the best VR experience money could buy. I was a little bit skittish, if you will, when thinking about whether or not I wanted to buy this thing. We're talking about something that is first gen. There will be a lighter and more capable version probably in the future. And all of these things are true. This thing is extremely expensive. I mean, I have the receipt, like $3,700 when I walked out the door damn near. But no, I do not believe that this thing's going to become a paperweight. The experience in itself is too nuanced, and as I said before, this is the best VR experience that money can buy. I can be using my Mac and I can basically just throw a whole bunch of screens around my room. I can have YouTube on this wall. I can have a movie playing on the ceiling. Spatial computing is amazing. Another thing that Apple does is they have this thing called environments, where there are these immersive environments where the Apple Vision Pro just basically transports you to a whole nother place. Like, you can be standing in your bedroom and then end up in one of my favorite locations, which is the volcano out in Maui called Halikala. And whether it's the daytime looking at the sunset on the volcano of Halikala, or if it's the night and looking at the stars on top of that volcano, it's just beautiful. It's like the experience is just unlike anything I've ever seen. And again, well worth the money. I would 100% push you right off that cliff of Halikala into this Apple store and tell you to go ahead and get one. I just think it's fly. Another fly moment, I'm a huge fan of hip hop. I'm a huge fan of Alicia Keys, and there's like this 18-minute long jam session that she has in 3D where you're just watching her give this awesome performance of songs that you probably remember and can definitely recollect or what have you, definitely stuff from her catalog. But one of them that she plays is You Don't Know My Name, and I kid you not, Alicia Keys, during You Don't Know My Name, she like samples her voice. She walks, first off, she has like this grand piano in the middle of the studio. It just looks phenomenal. It's just like reeks of black excellence and wealth. And then she walks over to this like slightly smaller like piano, but also has like the Alicia Keys logo. If you know it, you know it. If you don't, you don't. You're not initiated. Maybe one day you will be when you get your Apple Vision Pro. But until that, I'll just continue to explain it. Basically, there's like this other keyboard she has, and right next to it is an MPC. And if you're uninitiated, an MPC is a electronic drum machine that allows you to sample your voice. It's huge in the creation and the way that we love hearing like soul samples and things of that nature in hip hop. Anyway, she samples her voice and she basically creates, while playing live on the piano with a full band and backup singers, she kind of creates a new rendition of You Don't Know My Name. And I was there. I was a fly on the wall in that studio, and I was able to witness frickin' Alicia Keys not only play the keys, but also beat the pads on MPC. Where else can you buy that? That's what I want to know. Where else can you get that? Where? Oh, the Apple Vision Pro. It's just so well executed. Apple doesn't make junk. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to hear what you think about the Apple Vision Pro. Is it too much? Did I push you off the cliff? Are you gonna go and get one? I think you should go out and get one. If you do get one, please share your experience in the comments. I don't think that you're going to regret it. It's pretty freaking awesome. Deuces.